everybody. Welcome to the Dean Speed Rampage Slip On exhaust review and impressions. Got a couple drive-bys for you, one with the baffles and one without the baffles. So that way you can make a comparison and make a judgment call on if you want them or not. First, let me talk about my impressions with Dean Speed overall. I've been highly impressed with them. They're super responsive. More often than not, same day whenever I have any questions at all. They got good people over there. Now, my impressions with the Rampage Slip On exhaust, love them. Love them, love them, love them. If you're considering it, highly recommend it. They sound great. Installation super easy. If you're wondering how to install them, just look up any other slip-on exhaust video. Same easy process. Just put on a bracket, slip on the exhausts, you're done. Super simple. Putting in the baffles, super easy. Slip them in, put in a screw. You know, sometimes it takes a little bit of fidgeting, a little bit of finesse to get them in just right, get the screw in. But overall, 20-30 minute job, pretty easy to do. If you're wondering how loud the exhaust is, it can get pretty loud without the baffles. Not super obnoxiously loud, but still pretty loud. Just on the border of being that guy. You know what I'm talking about? Personally, I choose to have the baffles in there just to be a little bit more respectful to my neighbors, and the sound is still great. And even on longer rides, you can still hear the exhaust without the baffles pretty clearly. And I have a Shoei 1200 RF helmet, which is generally regarded as being a pretty quiet helmet, and you can still clearly hear the exhaust without the baffles. And it's still pretty loud even with the music I have. So I choose to have the baffles in there, tames it down just a bit, but still got a good rumble. Overall, if you're thinking about getting these slip-ons, I highly recommend them. I say get them. Dean Speed, great people, they'll take care of you. If you got any questions, post them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. So that's going to be about it for my Dean Speed Rampage impressions. Coming up, you'll hear the drive-bys. If you like what you see, go ahead and click subscribe. Peace! Alright, here's the exhaust without the baffles. Much louder.